for rapidly
television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Stay tuned
to know weather radio.
commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorm. Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Carroll County, Clinton County, Howard County, western Tipton County.
National Weather Service.
15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Walton to 6 miles southeast of Frankfort, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kokomo, Frankfort, Boucherville, Kirkland, Sharpsville, Burlington, Michigan Town, Kempton, and Indian Heights. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 151 and 152. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Carroll, Clinton, Howard, and Tipton. This is Noah.